We are at Diamondback Gultch OHV Trail. Another beautiful hot day in Sedona, Arizona. Thank you guys for checking out this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, we're gonna hit the trail. Let's do this. Yeah, I had a feeling this trail was pretty friggin' gnarly by the looks of it online. Yeah, this is pretty sick for sure. So it took a while to get out here. Let's see, we're 9.5 miles away. We just started the trail. So we're starting the trail at around 73% battery. I'm pretty sure I can do this in a loop where I just get back on the highway this way instead of coming all the way back in that way. So we're gonna see. Should be fine. I am getting a little like loose rattling in my front end. Not sure what that is. If you have any ideas on how to diagnose or fix that, might be like a neck bearing or something. Might be the shocks. I've noticed the shocks are a little loose at the first kind of initial deployment or whatever, absorption. Anyway, any ideas on what that might be? It's kind of a clunking sound in the front. Almost feels like I got a little play somewhere. So if you know what that is or have an idea what that might be, drop a comment below, let me know. Be really cool, much appreciated. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna hit the trail. This should be a pretty gnarly trail. It rained yesterday for a little bit. Looks like most of it dried up already. But yeah, let's send it. Thank you guys for watching. And if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions for me where I can make my videos better, drop a comment below. If you have any questions about the bike or anything, drop a comment below. I will most likely answer them the same day. Thanks guys, let's hit the trail. Oh my God, my hand is killing me. Woo. Holy shit. Woo, I gotta give my hand a break. Want to find a nice little spot to rest for a minute, have something to drink. Oh shit, yeah, it definitely rained yesterday. You can see it here. Cool. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you. All right. She sure is pretty. This is one of our last days in Sedona. So as far as testing this thing out, you know, I got it the day before I came up here to test it out. I hit a trail in Santa Barbara by my house, but I have not even put air in the tires or anything on the SUR-RON yet. And it's doing really amazing. I think I had some rim tape start to kind of come through one of the sidewalls here where the tire meets the rim. Not bad. I just left it alone. I honestly wanted to see, you know, what this thing can do. Completely stock, beat it up, and just see what happens. And yeah, it's worthy. This SUR-RON is a worthy off-road machine, in my opinion. I've been riding dirt bikes since I was 7 years old, and I've had a lot of bikes. This thing is not a dirt bike. This is not a dirt motorcycle. It's not a 250. It's not a 450. You really can't compare them. It's in its own class. It is really fun to ride in the dirt. It's really fun for single track trails and jumping. It does fine, but it's not a dirt bike. If you're looking for a dirt bike, get a dirt bike. I wanted to try something new, so I got the SUR-RON. I really like it. It's really unique. It's really fun, and I can go more places with it. So yeah, it's awesome. If you're looking at getting one, I definitely approve. I have noticed I'm either like leaking air out of the front shock, or I got some bearings I need to replace in the neck where the forks meet the frame. I do have to tighten the chain. The chain is stretched quite a bit. So there's a lot I'm gonna do before I even start modding it. As soon as I get back to Santa Barbara, I'm gonna tighten that chain. I'm gonna check out the forks, do a little research on that, start kind of tearing into it. But as of now, I haven't really touched anything other than kind of re-torquing down the obvious bolts and screws. I haven't lost my axle nut, nothing. You know, you assemble it right, you can beat it up for a long time. I've got 200 miles plus of like really rugged trail riding, full send, beating the crap out of it. It's hanging in there. It's really fun. I approve of the SUR-RON. Take a little break, and then we're gonna get back on the trail. Probably our last trail while we're in Sedona. So far, it's one of the gnarlier ones. It's not as cool. Like Broken Arrow is really cool. You can get up on the slabs of rocks, and there's tons of stuff to look at. This is a little away from the red rock, the main ones. It's kind of a little more like deserty, foresty, red dirt. Really beautiful, but Yeah, it's pretty rough. I mean, it's rocky, as you guys can see. It's a really rocky trail. So we have been putting this thing to the test, and so far it has passed. So I'm gonna take a break, hydrate real quick, and then we're gonna get back on the trail. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you will know when I post my next SUR-RON video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in a second. All right, guys, 68% battery. We've gone 11.1 miles, and we got some trail left to do, so we are hitting it. This is fun.